Welcome back to ASVAB Roadmap. Today's lesson is about lines and angles. So let's go over some learning objectives. In this section, you will learn how to find the length of a line segment, use the properties of straight lines, intersecting lines, and parallel lines to solve for the value of angles. Line segments. A line segment is a piece of a line, and it has an exact measurable length. Questions may give you a segment divided into several pieces, give you the measurements of some of the pieces, and ask you for the length of another piece. The point exactly in the middle of a line segment, halfway between the endpoints, is called the midpoint of the line segment. To bisect means to cut in half, so the midpoint of a line segment bisects that line segment. Angles. A right angle measures 90 degrees and is usually indicated in a diagram by a little box. The figure above is a right angle. Lines that intersect to form right angles are said to be perpendicular. An acute angle is an angle smaller than a right angle. It is less than 90 degrees. An obtuse angle is any angle larger than 90 degrees. In other words, if the angle formed where two line segments meet goes beyond the right angle, it's obtuse. Angles that form a straight line add up to 180 degrees. In the figure above, A plus B equals 180. Angles around a point add up to 360 degrees. In the figure above, A plus B plus C plus D plus E equals 360. When two lines intersect, adjacent angles are supplementary, meaning they add up to 180 degrees. In the figure above, A plus B equals 180. When lines intersect, angles across the vertex from each other are called vertical angles and are equal to each other. Above, A equals C and B equals D. Parallel lines are lines that have the same slope as one another. The slope represents the steepness of the line and the direction it goes. Therefore, lines that are parallel never intersect each other. You can imagine them being like railroad tracks. When parallel lines are crossed by another line, the line is called a transversal, and angles are formed. All of these angles are said to be interior angles. Angles with the same relationship to the transversal are called corresponding angles. Alright guys, that was lines and angles. In the next video, we're going to talk about polygons. I'll see you there.